Assalamu alaikum, this is Iqra Saeed from Black Castle, and today we are going to solve page number 30. How many tens, how many ones? Question 1. Write in the boxes, one has been done for you. Okay, in this question, first of all, we have to write in how many tens and how many ones are there, and after it, again, consider it separately and consider it together. Got it? So, how many tens are there in question 1? How many tens are there? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 tens. 3 tens. So, 3. इसके बाद आपने tens लिख देना है T-E-N-S. Tens. Now, how many ones are there in? 2. 2 ones plus 2 O-N-E ones. Now, consider it separately. How many tens? There are 3 tens, 3 tens, 30. 3 tens, 30. So, I write 30 here. Then plus. And how many ones are there? 2. So, I write plus 2. Got it? So, consider it together. 3 tens, 2 ones. 3 and 2. 3 and 2. 32. 3 and 2, 32. Got it? Now, how many tens are there? 2 tens. So, I write 2 tens. Then, how many ones are there? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 ones. So, I write in words 5 ones. Got it? Now, consider it separately. How many tens? 2 tens and 5 ones. So, 2 tens, 5 ones, 2 tens, 20 and 5 ones, 5. Now, consider it together. 2 and 5, 25. 2 and 5, 25. Got it? So, if we plus 20 into 5 into 20, so we got 2 and 5, 25. Let's count. 20, 21, 22, 23, 25. Got it? So, now move to the last one. Okay, how many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 tens. So, write 4 tens. 4 T-E-N-S. Tens. Then, how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. 4 O-N-E. As ones. So, consider it separately. There are 4 tens. 4 tens. 40. 4 tens. 40. Look at this. 40. Then 4 ones plus 4. Got it? Now, 40, consider it together. 4 tens, 4 ones. 4 and 4. 4 and 4 will become 44. If we add 4 into 44, we have got the answer 44. Let's count. 40, 41, 42, 40 है, and 41, 42, 43 and 44. So, इस तरह से अब इसको एक और इजी वे है किस तरह से सॉल्व करना है इस क्वेश्चन को. 4 tens and 4 ones. 4 tens, 40, 4 ones, 4. Then ऐड करना है तो 4 and 4, 44.